In this tutorial, we will show you how to add a worker task. First, navigate to the Workers tab, and click Worker Tasks. On the right-hand corner, you should see a button says, Create New Record. Click this and you can then add desired details on this page. Enter all or mandatory branch information and select the side task you want to add from the drop-down menu provided. Once done, press the Save Record button and you will see a confirmation message. If you need to quickly go back and edit something, you can navigate to the Actions menu available in each record. You can also delete a record by simply navigating to Actions menu. A prompt will appear displaying "Are you sure to delete?" Please note that all deleted records are available in Trash for a permanent delete or restore. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more help tutorials.